In this demo, let's explore the AI-powered dynamic baselines provided by HPE Aruba Networking Central. Go to this link over here and type in your information to get access to the demo. Once you've logged in, it'll take you to the Aruba Central dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see that it provides you a map of the number of devices across the globe, and it'll provide potential issues and locations with no issues. Locations that do have issues are indicated in red. In order for us to get to the dynamic baselines feature, under Global, you should see a drop-down. Click on that and click on AnyCorp Campus London. This will provide you a summary statistics of clients and bandwidths within this location. Go over to AI Insights tab. In the AI Insights tab, you see that we have 3 issues loaded. Let's take a look at the first one. It is indicated in red, showing that it is a high severity issue. We see over here that this particular issue relates to clients that had significant number of DHCP server connection problems. And if you go to the failures widget over here, it shows us failures that occurred over the last 3 hours. The blue line is our baseline. It is currently set at 0.56.00 p.m. and 2 p.m. We have high failures that were noted. A failure of 1 has been classified as medium. The others 2 has been classified as high. And here at the bottom, it provides us further details into the servers that were impacted, the access points that were impacted, and also 3 clients that were impacted. One of the key features offered by Aruba is that we can search Aruba for instructions on how to solve this problem or what caused this problem. Now let's type in DHCP server, which pulls up prompts such as how can I solve the problem of significant DHCP server connection issues in Aruba. So let's click on this to see what it provides. We see that it provides us AI-generated insights and summary on how to resolve this problem. And here it provides us recommendations for how to resolve this issue or how to diagnose the cause of the issue. To summarize, we saw the AI-generated baseline, the server access point, and client details related to these failures, AI-generated recommendations, and how to ask AI for insights on resolving issues.